Hello and welcome to the video tutorials of Autodesk Fusion 360. In this video we are going to learn that how can we create seat of any vehicle or a base, and how can we merge them to get the perfect seat. So first we are going to create a base model with the use of its sketch here. So I'm going to prepare a little sketch for the to create our seat. I'm using arc to prepare the mud guard like this, and this here, this. I am using arc again, 2-point arc, 3-point arc, sorry, and I'm using arc once again. And okay, use this circle again to create wheel. Now this is just for the tutorial only, so use this symmetric side and extrude it like this. Okay, create new body, open sketch again, unhide the sketch, use pipe to uh, like this. I'm going to create the tires, create new body. Okay, use pipe command again, select this new body. Okay, now this is colliding with this body, so I'm going to move it little bit like here. Okay, now I'm also remove this to here. Okay, now we are going to create seat over this surface. So first I want to give the fillet to it, give the fillet to it also, and also give fillet to it. Okay, so go to this create form, use the this one, this here, and click here, use this 2-point this, and make a body like this. Now what you have to do, we have to do it as like this, and I'm creating more edges inside this form. Okay, create new body. Now if I want to uh, um, move it at the between of this bodies, so right click on this body here and move and copy and click OK. Now if you click finish form into this, you will see our body is created, but it is little bit crossing this part, and so we have to remove the perfect part of this. So what I have to do, I will create on this again and move to rotate to match the this match it as a parallel, and uh, click OK. Now we are going to use the split body command here. We are going to split body to split means I want to split the body this by using this tool. This base model is now tool for this body, so I'm going to select the tool for it. Split body tool, not the, sorry, you have to click on to the this body, and while selecting the splitting tool we have to select this, and do not click onto the extend splitting tool because it will split over whole cross section area. So click OK. Now you can see we have the fifth body part, which is perfectly looks like a seat. Now the thing is, the removed part of this body is still remain there, so what we have to do, we have to check it. So this is the part which we want to remove from this body. So right click on this and do not click on delete, because if you click on delete and if you force to delete this, it will show some error and it will also delete your whole body. So press Ctrl Z. So go to the body part 4 again and just click on to the remove part. It will be easy to remove part. Now there is no any extra part. You can do this. So this is how you can create seat of leather, seat of any material. Now you can apply any material on this by going to this render setting. Okay, thanks for watching and subscribe to the Fusion 3 our Design 360 channel. I will upload more videos on these topics. Thanks for watching.